Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got part 36 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future DeLorean. Okay, so issue 36, let's take a look. So all we get is these parts here. These are for the pontoons. We'll put them to the side for a moment and let's take a look what we've got to do. Should be a fairly quick issue. All we've got to do is secure that onto there, just like that, with an AP screw. Do that twice and then we've got the pontoons ready for the next issue coming up, which will be when we fit them to the rear wheel arches just here. So yeah, another very quick issue there. So we'll get these parts out and we'll start building issue 36. Okay, so this is everything out of the packaging. We do get 3 AP screws with the build, 2 pontoons to build, although they do look different. So in the back of one, if we turn them round, this one has a letter R inside it, and this one, I can get it up, just there, letter L. And then same on these, we've got an L here and an R here. So let's build the right one first. Let's get the AP screws out. Okay, so we're taking the right one, which has got the right on there and the right on here, and we're going to be locating them on. Got a little pin that we have to locate that onto. Push that into place, just like that, and then an AP screw just through here. Just like that. That's the first one all done. Now we're going to do the second one, which is done exactly the same way. Just putting the pin on. Do we have to put these a certain way? No, they just drop straight on, just like that. Now we can put the second AP screw in. Hasn't been a lot to do the last couple of issues. We just put the wheel arches on the front. Today we're making the pontoons, and then another day we're going to be attaching the pontoons to the rear wheel arches and actually physically attaching that to the DeLorean itself. And then I think we've got some more wiring to do. So there you go. That is both pontoons fully built. That's it guys, that is issue 36, all done and dusted. We've built the rear pontoons. So yeah, if you didn't go and check out my Modern Mods accessory video where we look at some parts for the DeLorean, go and check that out, because coming up we're going to have the 1-to-6 switch kit unpainted that we're going to paint and build ourselves, ready to go in the DeLorean. That's going to be coming up very soon. So if you like this video, please click the like button down below, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Till next time, take care, bye bye.